Good morning, guys. This is Carlos here from Hooks and Drones, and this morning we're gonna send this floating device with the GoPro Hero 9. It has the configuration is with 3 hooks over here, so we're gonna put 3 light minnows. So I'm excited because we take our time to go with my son to catch some bait to a creek close to our house. So the bait is right there waiting. I also have another floating with the Hero 4, same configurations, 3 hooks, and we're gonna be casting with the drone with the bait release. We're gonna send it one to the left, one to the center, one to the right. It's a little bit windy today, but we're hoping to catch something. I got my 3 rods right there waiting for bait, right there. That's the 3, and I have my fishing bait, the one that we caught yesterday. So little bit less talking and let's go fishing, guys. All right, let's do it.
It's the first cast of the day.
Oh, I got it. Look at it.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, good bait. Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Wow. Good bait.
Look. That's some mojaras.
Wow. A couple of them.
There, you got it?
Yep.
All right.
This is the bait from our first cast. I'm going to be using this bait tomorrow fishing. It's going to go for round 2. This is the second cast
more?
now. Couple of them.
Perfect.
Cast number 3. We're going a little bit off-road.
Oh, perfect.
Getting
Oh,
a lot of little small fries. What we've got.
Guys, look at that. We got the 3 pieces of bait ready. We got the GoPro, which is gonna turn it on. I'm gonna start recording. And everything is good to go. So let's do it. This is way too windy, but we're gonna do it. Woo-hoo! Yes, I need to turn on the GoPro, ready to start recording. I got my 3 little baits, so I got the drone turned on, my bait release hooked up, so I'm just gonna pull this out, back, and let's fly it. Second cast. Let's do it. We're gonna open this. We're gonna put the ring for the bait release right there. We're gonna close it. Then we're gonna close it. And then we got the bait ready. So I'm gonna show you the bait here, what we're gonna be using on this cast. So the bait is ready. I got 3 light baits, 2 mojaras and 1 minnow. Look at this. It's candy for these people, for these fish. So let's do it. Send it over. And let's go fishing. Ah! I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna hold it over here. A little bit windy, so. This one I'm gonna send it a little bit more to the right. So maybe a little bit farther. A little bit farther. Little bit right there on the middle. So that's one. And drop. And he's coming back. Whoops, forgot to record this. Let's see if the drone is coming back. Woo! That way, and that's it. We're gonna cast the next one. So we're gonna turn this off. Alright guys, let's do one more cast. It's a little bit windy, but we're gonna find out. Oh shit. Come on, let's do it, buddy. Just a little push. I'm gonna send that one farther. 1, 2, drop. Good. So, this up and other. I got my 3 fishing rods ready, so we're just waiting for the fish. Alright, good. I got my 3 fishing rods ready, so we're just waiting for the bite. See, look. Whoa, that's a good one. Of course, to remove these. Calm down. Patient cowboy. Oh, 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 oh. What is it? Come on, come on. Show me what you... I think this fish it pulls a little bit different than the other ones. I don't think it's a cat. Oh, oh no, no, no. It's gotta be something else. This one is totally different than the other one. Oh, shoot! Oh, that's a King Kong catfish! Whoa! Check this out! Whoa! Way too big! Way too big! Oh my goodness! Can't believe it! Check this out! Woohoo! This is the biggest catfish I ever caught. Seriously. This is a really big one. Oh my goodness! What are they eating, these guys? Check this out. Oh my goodness. Pound, check this. Oh man. Check comparison with the fish. This thing. Look at this price. Look like I got a fish on. Let's find out. So it's biting. Let's see. Let's find out. I know that it was a fish. I think I got a fish on this. Not too sure. It's extremely windy. So fishing on the ocean. These big waves. Check this out. Oh, I see the fish. What is it? Oh. Looks like another catfish. Oh. Another big catfish! Whoa! Yeah! Check this out! They look like a twin brothers! Oh man, it's still this guy in the middle. So let's find out. Look at it. This is my second one. Whoa, they love the minnows, these guys. Check this out. Good size. So we need to put it back on the water, but it's extremely windy. Let me go get my pliers. See if I can take it out. I gotta go get my pliers. So. Oh man. Check this out. Whoa, very good size. Good size catfish for sure. I don't know how many inches, but it's a good size. So, grow bigger, buddy. So, oh. It's a good size. Oh yes, good size fish, buddy. All right, let's grow bigger and tell you buddies that he's catch and release, so they don't be afraid. Okay? Ah! No, 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 no. Good, second fish of the day. device. All right, let's see what it is. I don't feel nothing yet. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's something. Let's see. Something or nothing? Oh, I see. Maybe there's a little fish. I don't know what it is, but. Oh yeah. Oh man. Maybe looks like maybe a catfish. I'm thinking. All right, let's find out. Oh yeah, that's a catfish, I think. It's kind of shiny belly. So let's see. What is it? Oh, look at this catfish, it's huge. Whoa. Oh man, that's a King Kong edition. Woohoo! Man, look at this catfish. That is awesome. Whoa. Look at this big catfish. Holy moly. Super good, but already working for it. So we're gonna put this guy back in the water. So that's a big one. Check this out. Woohoo! That is huge. That is a fish. Man, this thing. Whoa. It's a catfish. I caught it with a minnow. Look at this big catfish. Holy moly. It's super windy, but already worth the trip. So we're gonna put this guy back on the water. So that's a big one. Look at it. Look at how big it is. I don't bring my measurement tape, but look. Check. We're gonna put it back, this guy on the water. So let's go back on the water, buddy. Woohoo! It's going there. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I give you a little push, buddy. But I know you can do it. I don't want to get my tennis shoes wet. All right. Come on, come on. I know you can. You know the right track. You know where to go. Yeah. Look at it. All right. Grow bigger. There you go. Guys, it's time to release this bait. It was really useful today, but we're gonna go ahead and let it grow bigger. That's the bait right there. Oh man, they're all excited, ready to go. New water. Check. Well, we're here on Lake Grapevine, and it was super windy today, and despite the conditions, I was able to catch 3 big catfish. Seriously, for this one are my biggest catfish that I caught in a lake. I can always kind of share the location for those who live here in Texas. It was great. I caught all 3 with the lime minnows, so I used some mojaras. I don't catch anything this time with that bait, but anyway, it's time to go home and eat with the family, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and we see you soon. All right, bye bye.